the Downtown Disney District. Really important question to kick things off. Show of hands, who here is a fan of bowling? Well, good. I hope so, because that's a very important reason of why we're all here today. We are so excited to officially open Splitsville Luxury Lanes here in Downtown Disney District. The ultimate bowling destination for delicious food, wonderful entertainment, such a fun atmosphere, and of course 20 lanes of bowling inside.
Thank you, Alexa. On behalf of the entire Splitsville family, we'd like to say how excited we are to be at the Downtown Disney District here in wonderful Anaheim, Disneyland. Splitsville really is, Brent alluded to it, kind of a carnival ride of options. There's something for everyone, whether you're 7 or 70, whether it's kids, families, conventioneers, or just some bankers from First Republic coming down for having a cocktail. So we hope you love it. It's a pride and passion of Guy and I, and this was a long time coming, so we're very excited.
Thanks, Mark. I tell you, we are so excited to start building relationships with all of our neighbors here at the Downtown Disney District. So with that, I hope you guys are ready to start rolling in and rocking out with us. So, thank you.
All right, well, thank you so much. Now, I know you're all ready to get started on some awesome bowling, but before we do, I'm sure you've noticed the giant bowling pins behind me. We have to knock these pins down before we officially open Splitsville. Now, I know that seems like a very daunting task, but don't worry, we have thought of everything. We called in a bowling expert who is going to give us a crash course on the fine points of bowling. So, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our bowling expert, the one and only Goofy. It is so great to see you. I understand you're going to give us a lesson on bowling, correct? Yes, all right. And what is a how-to lesson without a voiceover? Take it away, Mr. Announcer.
Thank you, and welcome everyone to this very special edition of How to Bowl. Bowling is a fun, high-spirited, and vigorous sport that requires a keen eye, precise aim, and rock-steady nerves. The professional bowler begins by assuming the proper posture, holding his hand straight and swinging the bowling ball backwards away from him. Next, he begins to rotate the ball toward the opposite side of his body, while at the same time keeping his bowling hand directly underneath the ball, ensuring that his wrist remains straight. Finally, he releases the ball, allowing it to roll down the lane toward the pins.
Oh, Goofy, thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us. I know that's going to come in very handy very soon. So now, folks, I think it's time that we open Splitsville. So I'm going to call Guy back up. We are missing something. Goofy, do you think you can find us a bowling ball? Yes, you got it? Okay, perfect. All right, and Guy, no pressure, but in order to officially open this venue, you have to knock these pins down. Do you think you can handle it?
I don't know. This is a lot of pressure, especially with the big man right here beside me. But I think I need a little help from our team, our cast members from Splitsville.
All right. Come on out, everyone. All right, now that we have everyone out here, let's go ahead and help Guy knock these pins down.
Come on, Guy. Come on.
All right. So everyone, please repeat after me. Knock them down. 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 Knock them down.
to the Disneyland Resort.